Hi, how's everybody going? Today I'm going to talk about the second project, which is master plan line work. Actually, what we do is we're trying to draw lines of a master plan. Okay, um, so here you will have. I will give you all these photos. Okay, all this photo is a project in Michigan. Just finished it a couple years ago, I guess, and the reason I choose this is we got a really high resolution image about the raw drawing of this project, and they have really clear line work down here. Okay, and I think it's a really good project for us to start. So what we do for this project is to draw all these lines. Okay, draw all these line works in AutoCAD so we can work with it later in our later part. Okay, so before we start, we create a new file, and then you need to make sure you reference, you attach, make sure you choose our master plan image. Okay, and the image you will use for this case is this one. Okay, there is color in here, but all we need to worry about is lines. Okay, just click open, then click OK, and then we can attach to somewhere we want. So we can just draw, make it bigger or so. Okay, I think you will have this image, and I will give this file to you so you can work on this file. Okay, so once you have this image, the other thing is we have a lot of elements in here. You need to give different elements different layers. Okay, so we can be really clear what we need. Okay, so as last exercise, layering, manage all the objects you draw is actually really important. Okay, so I have already set up all these layers for you. You just need to put all the elements, all the drawings, the lines, go over there. For example, I have trees, right? It's really obvious, like when you draw, you need to draw every trees, like just draw circles on trees. Okay, just draw all the circles on trees. But what you're gonna be careful with, some trees are dashed line. So if some trees are dashed line, you want to change them to dashed line. Okay, so just go over here, dash, and change them to dash line. Okay, I think that's it. If the dash, sometimes the dash is not that obvious, so you just right click and go to properties. You can scale the dash line. For example, you can scale it to 2. See here, the dash is more obvious. If I scale to 5, the dash should become bigger. Okay, so just make sure you draw every tree. Some trees is smaller, some is bigger. Okay, and also different tree have different colors, right? You can see here, oh, this tree is dark color, this tree is dark color also, but when we turn to this tree, it's smaller but it's a lighter green. All these trees, however, you don't need to assign colors down there right now. You just need to understand, just be aware of this. Okay, we have different kinds of trees. The other thing is this tree trunk. We need to draw the tree trunk also. The way to do that is still the same. Just draw a trunk down here in the middle, and then we have that. Okay, and for the trunk, you just click it. What I should do, I just use copy tool. I just copy different places. I just copy for each tree. We'll copy them. Okay. All right. So that's the trees. Okay. We need to, and then once we finish all the trees drawing, this is an example. Okay. I have no time to show all the tree, how to draw all of them, but you understand the process, right? You wanna make sure we have a trees layer, right? So you wanna click them and right click, go to properties and change them to trees. Okay, and for trees, you want to give them a color. Right now all the color is like this black color, right? If you want to set up them with a color, okay, okay, but I just leave it with black, but you need to make them a different color, okay. And so these trees structures inside, that's about all the different all the like this, right? This is I think this is retention wall. So you need to use the polyline tool to trace all the structures, okay, like that, okay. Let me just draw one for you, and make sure you take advantage of slapstone tool so you can draw it more, accurately. Same, if you finish the structure, you want to right click, go to properties and change layers to structure, okay. This structure is inside, okay. The other thing is, for example, if I already draw trees, right, then you just hide them. The trees doesn't impact when you draw structures, okay. Make sure for structures we need to draw these retention walls, and also here, okay, all these yellow area are, I think it's a sports field, okay. This is slides, swings, and this is a volleyball field, okay. You just draw the lines down here. Just use the point line to draw them, okay. Just draw them, okay. So the same with the other one, okay. And then you also wanna turn right click properties and move them to the structures inside, okay. So when you hide structure inside, all of them are hidden, okay, disappear. So this structure inside, and there is a building. I think that there is a special pavement, and special pavement in this case is all this, all this brick area, okay, all this like what's the color, red brown, I would say. All this area are special pavement, okay. You just need again, you need to draw polylines. Make sure you draw all of them, okay, and then put into this layer, okay. Shrubs, I think specifically for shrub we don't have that much. The only shrub we have is this small, see here, this small trees, okay. We only have this, okay, this dark green round color. All this are shrubs, okay. So you just make sure all this are shrubs and move to this layer, okay. That's for shrub. And grassy covers, you see here in this big yellow lawn, right? You need to draw them out, okay, because this is grasslands, okay. You just need to draw all of them, okay. I just draw it roughly, okay. You need to make them like looks really good. So once you finish that, then you want to draw, so this grassy area and also all this area, okay, and all this area, like every area with different shades of green, okay. You can it's really overwhelming, okay. Just grassy area, okay. Building inside, see here we have actually a tower in the site. You just draw the lines in here, okay. It doesn't have to draw these small lines. All you need to draw is these big structures. I think that's good enough. These structures, okay. I think it's good enough. You don't have to draw those small lines, okay. Just draw these big lines. That's good enough. Border, see here we have on the side we have this kind of border. See here we have this kind of border. So you wanna to trace these borders, okay. Working paths, it's just this gray area is working paths, but I think once you draw this grassy area, working paths is rest. We don't really need that. So let me just delete this one. Okay, pretty cool. So we need this all these layers, okay, and you want to draw lines on every layer, okay, and you just trace them, okay. You better make them exact same with the drawings showing up here, okay, and all we need is line work, okay. That's it for today. We'll see you next time.